Starting around 25 August 2023, Velo for the most part is exchanging at $0.002585 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in by and large most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. Velo in every practical sense has a really complete market cap of $18,177,495, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,817,479, which generally is genuinely critical. This basically makes Velo sort of positioning at 599 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Velo cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Velo by and large be fundamentally worth in 2023 in a huge manner? Is Velo an essentially wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they for the most part thought. Will Velo cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking especially high in an unpretentious manner? These basically are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, exhibiting how starting around 25 August 2023, Velo generally is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in very most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost is supposed to generally cross an especially normal value level of $0.003, the normal really least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to generally be $0.003, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Additionally, Velo can generally arrive at a really greatest value level of $0.003, so on the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Velo generally be especially worth in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Velo value gauge August 2023. The especially normal cost of Velo could essentially go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023, or so they really thought. Velo could really be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of $0.003, with the exceptionally least expected cost of $0.002 in an essentially large manner. Velo value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo in every way that really matters is determined to basically be at around a kind of least worth of $0.003, which basically is genuinely huge. The Velo value worth can in a real sense arrive at an essentially limit of $0.003, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.0063 in United States dollars, showing how might Velo cost most certainly outperform its record-breaking fundamentally high in a significant manner. Velo value conjecture October 2023. The normal cost of Velo could especially go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, which by and large is very huge. Velo could generally be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of $0.003, with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $0.0063, which most certainly shows that fundamentally is Velo a very wise speculation, or certainly worth purchasing in 2023, in a kind of significant manner. Velo value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the in every practical sense greatest cost for Velo could generally stretch around $0.003, genuinely, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 basically is $0.003, with a genuinely normal cost of $0.00353 in a kind of significant manner. Velo value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the kind of most extreme cost for Velo could really stretch around $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 in a real sense is $0.003, with a typical cost of $0.00363. Velo sort of past value examination. In the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been in a real sense diminished by 0.54% in its in every practical sense current worth, which especially shows that Velo value conjecture October 2023. the extremely normal cost of Velo could commonly go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we for the most part think about the in every practical sense current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, which is very huge. Velo fundamentally is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Velo most certainly is down to nearly 5.83% in the in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, which really is very huge. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for exceptionally past essentially couple of days. The coin could by and large have serious areas of strength for genuinely yet. We don't fundamentally imagine that it would a productive resource and certainly transient in an unpretentious manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo really diminished by 61.587%. Disposing of an incredible exceptionally normal amount of $0.004 from its ongoing worth, or so they truly thought. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a truly really great in every practical sense purchase a valuable open door for essentially speedy speculation, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 13.61%. And the cost explicitly circled from a for the most part least exceptionally normal cost of $0.003 to sort of greatest pretty normal cost of $0.003 in the essentially beyond 90 days, exhibiting how Velo value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the most extreme cost for Velo could stretch around $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. In certainly most recent 4 months, Velo sort of has shown a developing pattern, kind of additional appearance how Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost by and large is supposed to in every practical sense cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0.003. The normal kind of least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to basically be $0.003, which sort of is very huge. In this way, we explicitly believe that comparative pieces of the market fundamentally were very famous at that period, exhibiting how besides the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 sort of is $0.003 with a truly normal cost of $0.00363. Velo especially past value examination and the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been especially diminished by 0.54% in its truly current worth, which certainly shows that Velo value estimate October 2023. The especially normal cost of Velo could commonly go to $0.003 toward